Well, hello there, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to draw the almighty, the powerful Goku from Dragon Ball Z. I see a lot of people trying to draw this, and so I thought, hey, let's go ahead and draw it today. Goku is an amazing character, and if you've never seen the show Dragon Ball Z, you should check it out. There's a pretty big following for it. I've got a couple facts as we do this drawing to go ahead and give you some trivia, but I'll give you the answers right away, okay? All right, here we go. Goku's father was a Saiyan by the name of Bardock, a character that we were introduced to in Bardock, the father of Goku. Go figure, right? From the first appearance of the character, we saw where Goku got his looks from, since he is basically an exact clone of his father. This isn't exactly a secret or anything, you can figure this out just by looking, but there are actually some other interesting facts tied to this family resemblance. For one thing, Goku's second son, Goten, seemed to inherit the complete clone gene from his father. Since he looks just like Goku during his early Dragon Ball days, that signature wild hair makes him look identical to his father and grandfather. Dum dum dum. It seems that the clone gene is only passed down to the second son in the family, since Raditz was the eldest of Bardock's two sons and he didn't have the signature hairstyle. How would you like to be in that family, that powerful, amazing family, and you're the only one that doesn't have that kind of hair? That would be kind of awkward, wouldn't it? But we're gonna draw that hair in today, make it kind of look like a flame shooting up from the top of his head. Looks amazing, doesn't it, so far? So here we are drawing the collar of Goku from Dragon Ball Z. So here is some more facts for you. Fans of both Dragon Ball Z, by the way, I'm getting this from Screen Rant on the internet. Fans of both Dragon Ball Z and DC Comics have long since compared Goku to, you've guessed it, Superman. They do have quite a bit in common after all, which is probably why the internet fought over it so much for decades. Both characters were sent to Earth from an alien planet, of course, and eventually destroyed, sadly enough. They both have strengths and powers that other Earthlings do not. Both characters are among the last of their kind, both have an alien name and an Earth name. Both became great heroes of Earth, and both of their fathers are rather similar in character. Superman's father, Jor-El, knew that Krypton was going to explode due to its instability. But no one believed him. Similarly, Bardock was the only Saiyan who knew that Frieza, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but Frieza? I think it's Frieza, planned to annihilate their race and destroy planet Vegeta. Both their fathers used what resources they had to send their children away so that they would be safe from destruction of the entire planet and race. That's pretty crazy, isn't it? I think a lot of the time superheroes have the same types of stories because they have to overcome something in life. They have to, start a new life and they have to explain all the powers that they have. And so they have to make up this fantastic story, like coming from a different planet or getting dropped in a vat of toxic waste and then they become superhuman or bitten by a superhuman spider. So I think that makes sense. So when we're done and we actually color all this in, it's gonna start looking like Goku. Can't wait, it's gonna be awesome. So let's go ahead and start coloring it in now. With the hair, of course, the yellow, spiky hair, the signature sign of Goku in Dragon Ball Z. I remember when I was younger, every single person used to draw this in my class. So that's kind of cool to look back on, and it's still part of society today. So we're gonna put some shadows in the hair, and that's actually gonna make it look so much better and so much more professional. Try to do that. Try to, up your game a little bit and put some shadows here and there. All it is just a little bit darker color of what you're already using, or maybe even some black. You can do some hash lines where you go crisscross on each other. Really does not matter. So the skin color's a hard one to get. You have to find a good skin color. Myself, I collect the colors, and then when I find a good skin color, I keep it, and I keep it around for just that. So, I think you know what I'm about to ask. I ask it in every single video pretty much. How was your day? How did everything go? How was school? How was work? Make sure that every day is a good day for you, and every once in a while, it's okay to have a bad day and accept it, but don't let it bring you down for days on end, because really there's nothing you can do to change it, and if there is, then make sure you do it, and then all your worries are over for the most part. You gotta live a happy life. Because you only get one, of course, right? I love how these colors are turning out. How do you like it? Is it good? I hope so. I think yours is gonna be amazing. I think yours is already amazing. I can't see it with my eyes right now because I'm on the other side of this screen and we're internets apart. But I have faith that yours looks just as good, if not better than mine, of course. And like I said before, if you mess up a little bit or you think you messed up a little bit, maybe it actually made it better. Maybe you can fix it really easily. As long as you're happy with it, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're pretty much done here. Make sure you color everything in just like you want it done. Put something in the background if you have extra time. You could put a spaceship in the back, or you could put his planet blowing up like we talked about earlier in the background. I don't know, whatever you would like to do. Thank you so much for joining Rainbow Brush today, as always. I appreciate you being here and learning to draw with me and having so much fun, and I hope this brings some entertainment to you. I hope you enjoy this drawing as well as your own drawing if you followed along with me. As always, I will see you guys on the next video. Have the best day that you can. Bye-bye.